So 700 million views. I just feel like I'm kind of having a moment processing that number. 700 million views. That's a real number. I know a lot of artists and fandoms have reached bigger milestones, you know, as far as numbers and views goes. But for me and my music and my project and my beasters, my fandom, this is the biggest one yet. And, you know, I used to think Shower was like my most viewed video, and that was accumulated over years. But this is one that has just squashed that, and in just a couple months. Like, what? So I guess what I'm saying is I just need to take a moment to, one, finish processing what is happening. I don't know if I'm going to finish processing what is happening, if I'm ever going to process what's happening. And to also just thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for all the support on this song, and for requesting it in the club when you're with your homies, and for calling radio stations and telling them what's up, and to play a song, and for putting people on check when they said that a girl could not be singing reggaeton music, let alone be singing some pretty sexy ass, strong ass lyrics, and just straight up rocking with me from day one. Like, it's been a journey, and there's been a lot of pivots in different directions, but I've found my way, and I'm so glad that I've found my way with you guys by my side. So thank you. I love you so much.